In this video, I will show you step by step how we can save your project in Canva, easy and simple. Okay, let's get started. So what you need to do, so I just made this design over here and I want to save this project in Canva. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to click on share, scroll down. Okay, just scroll down, click on more. Okay, like this, and scroll down and you should see over here. Okay, so you should see share, and you have here this option save to folder. Okay, click on save to folder like this, and you just need to click over here. If you don't have any saved project yet, scroll down, you should see over here create new. Okay, so I will click on create new, and I'm gonna name this folder, for example, design, like this. Okay, and I will click on add to new folder. Okay, and my design will be added to my folder and it will be saved on Canva. Okay, so let me see. And as you can see, your project will be saved on Canva. Okay, so this is my project and it will be over here in your project. Okay, in your Canva homepage. Thank you so much for watching. That's how we can save Canva project, and see you in my next video.